So guys, we're going to the airport because we're going to Florida today. So yeah, this vlog is just going to be just our journey for day one. And yeah, so I'll let you know when we're on the way to the airport. And yeah, also these are new headphones. I'm gonna wear them all day to the airport. So yeah. Oh, she's sleeping. I'm gonna miss her all week. We made it to the airport, guys. We did it. We made it through. We made it through. Yeah.
We have now reached 10,000 feet. You may now use your larger portable electronic devices in airplane mode.
In the rental. We're in the rental. Wes, are you excited for Florida?
We're in Florida.
Yeah, you excited?
Yeah, I didn't fall asleep on the plane ride. I
Good, Mom.
did not.
Good.
Yeah.
We made it. We made it.
Yo, what's up?
This is our room, so we're just hanging out, and we're gonna unpack our stuff. A pool. Let's go. Yeah, we'll definitely enjoy that later, because that's gonna be awesome. I made it to the room. My baby is over here close the door, and Wes is over there near the window. I'm gonna go enjoy the pool. I'll come back to you later. Okay guys, I just got out of the pool and it was so nice. I'm gonna love it here. The pool was amazing, so the beach is gonna be even more amazing. So yeah, I hope you guys are ready for more Florida vlogs. And we're just gonna vlog at dinner because yeah, or at least I'll tell you what we're having because we'll see. Oh guys, this is actually beautiful. What the heck? A gorgeous sunset. It's gonna be even better on the beach. The first Floridian dinner next to our pool. So yeah, cool. It's gonna be so much fun. So I'm just gonna edit the video for bed. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow for day 2 of Florida.